You can kill the lights, you can draw the blood.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie O. If you're new, I'd love for you to take a quick moment, go down below and smash up the red subscribe button. And while you're there, don't forget to click the bell button right beside it so you never miss any video I post. And for the oldies but goodies, thank you so much for stopping to watch this video again, even though I've been so inconsistent on YouTube. I'm so grateful for you guys. We have a couple of new subbies on our channel and in our family, so definitely go down below in the comment section. Welcome them, make them feel welcome, make them feel at home. We're a big happy family here and we have a lot of fun. Today's video is going to be a chit chat, get ready with me, basically a life update. I'm going to be telling you guys why I've been so MIA on YouTube. I'm also going to be telling you guys what's been going on in my life, all the tea, everything that's been happening, why I look the way I look, why I smile the way I smile, all of that good stuff. So if you guys want to know what's going on while watching me create this really simple but glam nude look, then definitely keep on watching, guys. And yeah, if you're not subscribed and you've watched me talk up to this point and you still haven't subscribed, I'm waiting for you to subscribe. It's okay, we can be here for as long as you need to subscribe. Without further ado, guys, let's jump straight into the video and I'll see you in my next one. Alright guys, so it's time to start and I'm already running late for my appointment, and that's mad because my appointment is supposed to be at 3 and it's almost 2 p.m. and I don't have anything on my face yet. I'm not going to be mentioning what products I'm using just to save time, so I'll list them in the description box down below. So if you're interested in knowing what I'm using in this video, then just check out the description box. Everything will be listed there. Yeah, so I don't think I told you guys what I'm even like preparing for. So basically what is happening is that I'm going for a photo shoot, and this photo shoot is my pre-cult bar photo shoot. So to be very honest with you guys, this is one of the like major things concerning my life updates. I'm sorry guys, my brows are so hard to do while I'm talking. If you don't know or you're just new to my channel, I've been a student at the Nigerian law school for about 1 year and 4 months now. Wow, when I say 1 year and 4 months out loud, I realize how like real it is. Anyways, so yeah, I've been a student for about 1 year and 4 months now, and this is because I did the Back at One program because I did not get my law degree in Nigeria. But anyways, recently we wrote our bar final examinations and the results were released, and guys, your girl passed. Listen guys, your girl passed law school. Basically what this means is that I'm going to be called to the Nigerian bar as a barrister and solicitor of the Supreme Court of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Such a mouthful. Court bar ceremonies start on Tuesday, and yeah, everyone's like been getting their photo shoots done in their like wig and gown and stuff. So I'm getting mine done today as well. And my really good friend Folabi is going to be taking my pictures. He's the CEO of Modern Lenses Media. If you haven't ever heard of them and you're in Nigeria, what are you doing? Anyway, yeah, I'm going to plug Folabi's details in the description box down below. So if you want to do a photo shoot or you want like the photographer for one of your events or whatever, hit Folabi up. He's very affordable. In this life, you guys plug your friends. If you don't plug your friends, are you even a real friend? Guys, if you haven't seen my law school vlogs and my law school videos, you should definitely check those out because they're really helpful. They give you a lot of useful information and they're also like fun and entertaining. Being called to bar is one of my life updates, and like if you've known me like this year I've been in law school, you understand why like it's so surreal for me that I'm being called to Nigerian bar. Like guys, the struggle out in these streets is real. Like just thinking about it and thinking about like my career progression and just like my education and everything, it's just like I'm so grateful to God because, in all honesty, fans didn't think they were gonna be here, you know. So yeah, I'm actually so grateful to God, like, and I'm grateful for family and friends, and like honestly, I know I don't look cute, but I'm actually jumping. Can't be jumping while blending eyeshadow. Anyway, so yeah, that is the major life update. That is what is going to be happening to me. When I see like people like post on social media and they're now adding Esquire to their names, I'm just like, man, you're gonna like, it's actually going to happen to you. Like, do you get? Like, this is actually you. It's shocking. It's shocking. And time flies, guys. Like, you don't understand. I remember the first day I entered law school. I was with my friend Dami, and we had just come back from the UK, and I was complaining. Like, I remember this day, I feel like Dami wanted to punch me, low-key, but she couldn't. Like, I was just complaining. I complained from the minute I stepped foot in that place. I literally kept complaining and complaining and saying how I didn't like the place, and saying how I didn't want to be here, and saying how why did I come to law school, and all of that stuff. But it's important, guys, for you to know that in this life, nothing happens without God's approval. I didn't think this day would come. It seemed so far away. Like, it seemed almost impossible that this day would come. But look at me now. Like, I'm already here. And it's a beautiful thing, because like, you can look back and count your blessings. Anyways, I'm not going to ramble too much about that. To everyone going into law school this year, or anyone who's thinking about going into law school, I just want this video to motivate you. If you guys want me to do a whole video about my law school experience and like tips on how to survive in law school, I will do that for you guys. Just make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. But besides that, leaving law school and being called to bar means that I'm going into a new phase of my life, and there's a whole new responsibility waiting for me on the other side. Now I've leveled up, right? So I need to actually step up. I'm going to start my National Youth Service Corps program. If you guys don't know what that is, that's NYSC for short. I haven't started the service year yet, but you know, I'm optimistic about it. But I've started the registration process and everything, and so far so good, guys. I'm actually pumped for this stage of my life, because like, it's taking me away from home. So for NYSC, they push you to like different states, and I've been posted away from my home state, and I feel like I'm looking at it as an adventure, and I want to see where like that takes me and what this brings for me. So I'm pretty excited about NYSC, in all honesty. I know a lot of people will say, oh, you're only excited because they took you to a state that is good and all of that stuff. I mean, yes, definitely. I wouldn't go to a state where there's no security or it's not safe. So definitely that's part of my excitement. And for the fact that like, I'm not a JJC in the States, like I kind of know my way around. I kind of know a couple of people. So it's not that strange to me, in all honesty. Maybe that's part of why I'm excited. If any of you guys are doing NYSC this year, let me know. Like, let me know where you've been posted to. Let's see if we're posted to the same state, so we can link up, because I really want to see you guys and get to know you guys some more. I'm really taking my time on this phase, and Flabi is not going to be happy about this. I literally have 30 minutes to leave my house if I'm going to be on time. I'm excited as well because Christmas is coming, and I'm sure a lot of you are like, so what's the big deal about Christmas? The big deal about Christmas for me this year is that I'm going to get to see a lot of people that I haven't seen in about a whole year. And that is exciting for me because I miss them. Like, I really, really miss them. I literally feel over the moon at the moment. Okay, so another thing I actually have to explain to you guys is why I've been so inconsistent on my channel. Like, since the last time I was consistent on my channel, which is, I would like to say, before my law school exams, my channel has grown a bit. Like, we've gained a number of subscribers, and I'm so happy about that. And I'm so grateful to all the people that have subscribed. I'm so grateful to all the people who are supporting me and who believe in my dream and my craft. Like, it means the world to me. You guys are the real MVPs. And I'm sure like people have been wondering, why am I subscribing to this girl's channel if she isn't gonna post? Like, what is happening. But yeah guys, since after law school exams and in between waiting for results to come out, registering for NYSC, now results are out, preparations for call to bar, I have been so bummed. In the middle of this, I started feeling very lethargic and I just didn't have the motivation to do anything. I spoke to one of my friends who is a healthcare professional, and he was able to let me know that I'm having something called seasonal affective disorder. Me, as a Nigerian Yoruba Christian girl, my first reaction is, God forbid that thing, I reject it in Jesus' name, it is not my posture. But basically he explained to me that a lot of people, when the weather starts to change or the seasons start to change, their attitude starts to change. And basically that was what happened to me. My attitude towards life, my attitude towards things, my attitude towards my work, my attitude towards everything just started to change. Luckily, or on the bright side, it was like at the early stages where I noticed it and I decided to speak to someone about it. This is also something I really want to talk about, guys. If you're going through anything, if you feel any changes in your body or anything about you just isn't right, please talk to someone about it. Because most of these things, like, the earlier they are detected, the easier and the better they can be managed and dealt with and not cause any issues. Because I was aware of what was going on with me, I was able to deal with it and, you know, do the necessary things I needed to do to make myself feel better. There's so many people going through depression, and my heart goes out to every single person who's going through depression, because in all honesty, you don't know what that person is going through, or you have no idea what it feels like until you've been through it yourself. And I feel like we totally underestimate the fact that human beings are human beings and human beings can feel depressed in this country especially. My point of giving you guys this insight into my life is to tell you guys that it's very important for you to take your mental health seriously. No one will take your health as seriously as you will. So don't listen to anyone telling you, oh, you shouldn't feel that way, you can't feel that way. Feelings are valid and we're all human beings and we all feel things. So if you feel a certain type of way, definitely try and speak to somebody and get that sorted out before it becomes something that could have easily been avoided but has not been avoided. So anyways guys, I'm feeling better now. Some days I wake up and I just don't want to do anything. I am around my family and that makes me happy, and I'm grateful for them. And I'm grateful for like life. I'm grateful for where I am in life, guys. And I'm grateful for what I have and how far I have come, what God has blessed me with, blessed my family with. Anyways, moving on. While I was off YouTube, so much drama unfolded. And when I see everything that goes on in the beauty industry, sometimes it actually saddens me, because I feel like this should be an industry where we like uplift each other, we support each other. Like, I don't see any reason why any like beauty influencer should put another beauty influencer down. I do wish things were different in the beauty industry. I wish that like influencers would uplift each other more. I wish that we would support each other more. Let's just all do this together. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's some amazing people I've met from YouTube. I mean, there's some beautiful influencers with beautiful hearts on this platform. All this talking is really making me waste time. What do you guys think about my look so far? If you like it, please help my life. They will not spoil your life in Jesus' name. Just click the like button. That's enough for me. Thanks. Anyways guys, so now that I'm back, well, by the grace of God, I believe I'm back like fully on YouTube. I want to know what kind of videos you guys like to see. I want to know what kind of videos you guys want to be seeing on my channel, because like this channel is about you guys as much as it's about me. So I really want us to like be having fun, and I want like the content on this channel to be content you guys enjoy watching. So that being said, I do need video idea suggestions from you guys. If you have any videos that you like and you'd want me to do, or you want to recommend, because like I've been in a bit of a makeup funk as well. I don't know if it's because of the fact that I've been lethargic lately, but I've also not been wanting to do makeup videos because I feel like they're just so repetitive. Like it's the same thing all the time. We put foundation, we put highlight, we put contour, we put blush, we blend. Guys, like I'm a bit bored of makeup at the moment, and I just really want to dabble into something else and try something new. I don't know if you guys have seen my Pillow Talks video. I started a series called Pillow Talks, and it's just a bunch of girls sitting down in their jammies discussing like different topics. So if you guys like that, let me know. If you want to see more videos from that series, let me know, because I actually want to impact so much knowledge. Like I want to use my platform for something more than beauty. There's so much I can do with this platform, and I'm not restricted to just like beauty videos alone. If you guys like those kind of videos, let me know so I can definitely like make that a full segment on the channel. It's hard, guys. Sometimes YouTubers lose motivation as well. Like it's like everyday life. Like you can be doing something and you can love what you do, and you can just lose motivation for it. And yeah, that's what I went through. And I feel like it's because I wasn't unleashing my full potential onto YouTube, especially because like YouTube has always been a side thing for me, because ever since I started my channel, I've been in school. So it's never really been the main thing I'm doing. It's always been my side thing. Now that I'm out of school, even though I'm still going to be working, so it's not going to be my main thing, I feel like I have a bit more time. So definitely leave me your suggestions so we can like really be having fun on this channel, because that's what I want. That's my main goal. I want this channel to be a safe place for everyone. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. That is it for my look. I kept the lips really simple, nude and glossy. I kept the base very smooth, and I kept the eyes simple but with a little bit of sparkle. I'm already late, so I need to actually get going. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, come on, join the family. Don't be a lurker. We love you and we want you to be one of us. So definitely come in and join the family. Smash up that red subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to click the bell button so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one.
You can kill the lights, you can draw the blinds, my heart shackled down.